Should a good negotiator focus on delivering information or receiving information? My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. As you've probably already guessed, a strong negotiator focuses more on receiving information than on delivering information. Information is power, and you want to get as much as possible of this information. Especially in collaborative negotiation, it's important that there is this information exchange so that you can look for better ways to make a deal. Now, what can you do to encourage the other party to give you more information? A first idea is create a climate of trust. And one of the things that you can do to create a climate of trust is sharing some information. It may even be something which is non-negotiation related, like I didn't sleep much tonight because my child was crying most of the night. But it conveys to the other party that you trust them enough to start sharing some information, even some personal one. Another key element of the information exploration is questions. And one of the ways to increase your chances to get a reply to your questions is to give a good explanations. In order to optimize our manufacturing plan, can you please explain to me what are you going to do to improve your forecast accuracy? Still related to the questions topic, the first question often is not going to give us all the information that we want. So we want to find a way to get more information. A possible way is to stay silent, maybe nod your head to signal to the other party that you want more information. Another thing, by the way, is using some small words. Oh, I see. Oh, tell me more. Or one more approach is to use a follow-up question to go more in depth with the next question using a funnel approach where your questions get more and more specific. A last source of information comes from how the information is exchanged. So, looking at the tone of voice, looking at the body language, looking at the level of resistance that you get when you're discussing the different topics to understand the interests and priorities of the other party. All those elements hopefully will help you to obtain more information and be more successful in your negotiations. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.